Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'll be showing you how to hack Moon Star Fence 5. All you need is Cheat Engine. So what you want to do is search up Moon Star Fence 5. This only works for their website. So what you want to do while it's loading is open up Task Manager, which is right here. Click More Tools, Task Manager. Look for Plugin Shockwave Flash, which is shown right here, 11012. So then you just open up Calculator there, and usually it'll be on Standard. Switch it to Programmer over here and be DEC, and then you type up the process ID at 11012. So just type it in, and then go to hex 2B04. Remember to not click play because that's very critical. And then you go to Cheat Engine. Right here, you click that, it's shiny. Look for the number that you got in the answer for the calculator, which was 2B04. Right there, double click on it, get rid of that. And then you click where it says 4 bytes and value type, you change to array of byte. And then in the description, this is going to be there. The live hack does not work anymore, so there's no need to really put that in. It's kind of broken. So what you do is just do the menu hack. So right here you just hit Control C or copy it, and then array of byte you just enter it, hit enter, and then right here and copy this one. Right click on this, and then go to change value selected addresses, and then you change it, so Control V, click OK, and then you can close it out of Cheat Engine, and then you can click play now, and go in co-op or play show. Don't take that out of context. Just find a match here. Got one. Sorry. Sorry, I'm a little ill. I just skip it. Sometimes I like to troll people that just like spawn in with a super monkey. Like ask if they have and stuff. And you'll see you'll get the money when the round ends. Whenever it ends, there, got all that money. So I have enough money to do whatever I want right now. So I guess I just put in a mortar tower. I don't use this, so I don't even have anything unlocked, but how did that not reach it? What? Okay, whatever, I'm selling that. Okay. So basically, I'll just put this down, I guess. So, yeah, it's basically invincible. He's one. I'm just gonna do this. I'm just gonna go a little bit. So yeah, I already got a temple for the monkey god. He's like, how? Just gotta give him money though. You're wait. Oh, wrong shit. You're welcome. Ha, got it. Everyone should like spam these snipies. I just want it to go like fast. Right now we're just gonna go this way. Right, got him off. No, wait. Yeah, we did. Okay. So cool. So that's basically just how you hack BTD 5. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.